This is the Globescout Plus Campervan. It will cost €45,500. It's a 6-meter campervan on a Citroen jumper. So it's got this enormous sort of, well, it's not really enormous, it's a normal sized one. It looks enormous. It's probably the camera I'm using. It's got a large bed in the back. No, it hasn't. It's got a normal sized bed in the back. It's got under the bed, you can sort of stick plenty of stuff. You could lift the bed up. I'll give a demonstration. See, this thing comes up like that. I won't ruin the display though at this fair. Up here, storage on there. They're even using the corners. That's a good point. You've got these buckles here to hold these cushions as and when they go up. Here we have a wardrobe, and there's a fridge underneath it. And to here, good to go with the fridge, you get 2 burners and a sink. And here we've got a plug for shore power when you put it onto the mains. Now here, this bathroom does look rather elegant for in a €45,000 van. Okay, in fact, I'll even come in now that I'm standing on the duckboard. But even so, standing on the duckboard, you can see that I can still stand up in this. Of course, I wouldn't normally be standing in the duckboard if I'm going to have a shower and with my shoes on. So there's even more room in here. Indeed, there's even a mirror there and there. To go with this, there's a curtain here, which will be great if you like a wet curtain sticking to your body. Alternatively, you could just not use it at all. There's a step up to the bed. Well, I don't want to show this at the bed. This bit here actually will come out. This door here, this will come out to create more room should you want to pass something through. Indeed, you can sort of stick something through that hole as well, should you want to. Forward facing bench, large table for a van of this size. You got some storage up there. Personally, I'd rather get rid of that and have more room to stand up in as I'm coming to the chair, but storage is at a premium. There is an extension for the kitchen, and it comes with a bag down here. Don't know what you can do with that. So, come to the back. This is the gas cupboard, and can be used for storing boxes. And here you've got lashing straps, and as you can see, there's a storage cupboard down there, and you can get quite a lot in here. So it's 205 centimeters on the external width, and in there I would say you could even get a pallet, but whether or not you want to put a pallet on something that looks so nice, probably not. Now, as far as these camper vans go, this is indeed one of the cheapest. Windows aren't particularly good quality, and but then again, the van is cheap. Seeing as I'm here, I'll show you some more Globe car. This one here is a Camp Scout. The one's a Globe Scout. So at the back, see, it looks to have more room, and down there you've got lengthwise beds instead, and there is at the front a shower, which is in the middle of the van. What's the point of that? It's to give you more room. Once more, all this will come up and out. Let's have a walk around here. And €55,000 this costs. And right, well, okay. Well, I know how these things work, so this sort of comes around like that. To reveal the shower there, you have a shower here, and this duckboard will of course come out. And if you really insist on not getting the rest of the van wet, You can turn this thing here comes round as well. It's a bit stiff at the moment, so I'm not going to pull it right the way around, just in case I break it, then I'd have to buy it, and I'd look really stupid in a van like this. On the way up to the bed, there are steps, and you can put some stuff in the steps if you want. If you don't want to, there is no obligation, so nobody's going to be worried about that. Here we have a fridge, which is from Thetford, and below that there is a wardrobe, and once more we have these drawers. There was a viewer who wanted to see this vehicle specially. Don't know what for, there might have been a reason. Maybe because the viewer had a sense of humour. And here, that's this. This is, I think, another extension. Certainly looks like an extension to me. Here we have the Road Scout, which widthwise bed in this case, and I shall take you now round and show you the rest. This thing here costs 50,000 euros. Oh, it's got a nice thing there, a nice decorative element on that. What? That looks like one of these suits they used to wear in the 1930s. Anyway, the upholstery, maybe it was that, maybe it's recycled. I'm all in for recycling suits from the 1930s. I suspect there was once a cover to that, the gas, so that you wouldn't actually see it. You've got a step up to the bed, and to be quite honest, I think using that step there, that's what it's meant to be. It isn't easy just to sort of sit on the bed like that and get in. Anyway, that's what it appears to me. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't have a degree in sitting in beds. And a lot of storage there. Oops. Right, and I'll show you the toilet, seeing as I'm standing here anyway. There's the toilet. And you know, with these things around, there's quite a lot of room. We've got this thing here which comes out, which doesn't want to come out, but it's supposed to come out. It comes up and then down, and people keep coming here and sort of break it, so that's possibly what's happened. Alternatively, they've done it deliberately. Alright, 6-speed manual gearbox. If you bought one new, then you can have an automatic. You can have all sorts of other options. You get a horse to pull it, a dog to pull it. I think you might have to do some additional changes to it. You've got a horse or a dog to pull it, but anyway. And here we have the fridge. Now, there are only three. Oh, so I didn't show you. They've got all this space here to prepare food on, and look at the size of this. That's pretty good. That's pretty big, to be honest. So, there you have it. That is the. Oh, there's one of these things, a fly net. Right, so that's it. There are 3 vans from Globescout here at Caravan Salon 2021, so 2022 range from Globescout. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting, and if you didn't, there's nothing I can do about it because I've finished, and I'm not going to do it again, largely because this event will be over and I won't be able to get myself back. Mind you, this one I'm finishing with does have a nice colour, and I do like this Carthago style colour on the furniture inside. So thanks for watching, and bye.